Today we're making a chorizo bolognese. Got some chorizo here, about 400 grams. Got some onions, garlic, chopped tomatoes, tomato puree, spaghetti and some oregano herbs. So firstly I'm going to chop up my chorizo. I'm going to slice it into about 1/4 inch slices and we're going to fry these off. My pans are already on. I've got some water in that pan for the spaghetti, and this pan here is on ready for the chorizo to go in a little bit of oil. Put my oil in and lay the chorizo down. We will be turning this over once one side's cooked. Just be careful with your fingers. And it doesn't take any time to cook at all. While it's cooking one side, I've got my water on, it's almost boiling. And I'm going to add my spaghetti to that. Got about 400 grams of spaghetti there. A little bit left in there. Just keep it moving around to stop it sticking together. If you haven't got a pair of tongs, you can use a fork to turn the chorizo over. If you hear a funny noise in the background, it's not me, it's my dog who's down there, keeps licking. Teddy, take it easy. Right, chorizo's cooked one side, I've turned it over. I'll be taking it out in a minute and putting it in the bowl to one side. Turn that down a little bit while we chop our onions up and our garlic. These touchscreens are really temperamental. Once the pasta's softened up a bit, you can turn it down into the pan and just keep it moving and separate it so the water gets in between, so not sticking it together. Crush some garlic in with the onions. The onions and garlic are nicely getting brown. There is a fair bit of oil that comes out of the chorizo, so you can tip some away, but this one it wasn't too bad, so I kept it in the pan and didn't need any extra oil to cook the onions and garlics in. Add my chopped tomatoes now. Some tomato puree. This gives it all of a rich flavour and it thickens up the sauce as well. And then some oregano. A bit of salt and pepper. And just gently bring the sauce to the boil. The pasta hasn't got far to go, so I'm going to add my chorizo to the tomatoes. And stir them in. Pasta's ready, so I'm just going to strain it off. You can use a colander, but I like to put the lid on top and strain it like that. And then I'm just going to add it to my sauce and give it a good stir in. Just serve up straight away. There you have it, chorizo bolognese.